Hey Glam Fam!
What's up?
So today is Foodie Tuesday. If you haven't subscribed already, you can hit that subscribe button right now for recipes that I do only on Tuesdays. Kid-friendly recipes, easy recipes, desserts, healthy food, keto, whatever. It's on Tuesday. Every other day of the week is makeup, beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, and hair. Right now I look like a hot mess. It's all good. I have my best chef with me right here, my 11-year-old son, Jonathan, and we are making something super easy. Let's insert my intro right now. Let's
do it.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
make sure you always wash your hands. So we are gonna make pizza English muffins. All right, so you're just gonna need a package of English muffins, some pizza sauce, mozzarella shredded cheese. Hey, John, so what's the first thing we have to do?
Use an English muffin.
We need a baking dish, so we're using this baking dish. We're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Get our English muffin out on our baking dish. Our oven is set at 350 degrees. I have a bagel knife, and I am going to make sure that your children don't use the knives. And you're just gonna put them like that. You're just gonna open up your sauce. Oh. Okay. Any old tablespoon, you go inside the sauce, and you're just gonna put some sauce on top of the English muffin, kind of like you would if you were buttering it. This is pizza sauce.
I hope this tastes good.
And just put a generous amount on each English muffin, just like that. After we finish the rest of them, to let you know what Jonathan thinks when he taste tests it. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. You're gonna put them in the oven for about 5 minutes and just give it a check. Usually only takes about 5 minutes for the cheese to melt and the toast and the English muffins to be toasty. I'll be right back.
It's pretty good.
So what would you rate on a scale from 1 to 10?
9 out of 10. 9.9 out of 10.
9.9, you can't get that 10? No.
Tap that like button if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Peace.
As you can tell, it was Jonathan approved. Anyways, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.